What's going on, everyone? Back with another weekly video. I'd like to apologize for the complete lack of content on this channel over the last 2 or 3 months, but unfortunately I have been very busy with other things in life, mainly a new business that you guys might have seen on my Instagram. For those of you guys that follow the soccer channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It is Pure Grip Socks, available at puregripsocks.com, of which, yes, I am currently wearing. Probably pulled my hamstring there. Nonetheless, I stand before you here today to do the stereotypical car YouTube garage update to tell you guys that I have sold one of my cars. And it's not this one, but instead, this one. I know, it's very sad. And if you're wondering where the Alpha is, I still have it, it's just not here at the moment. And I don't want to drag this video out for too long because there's really no point in doing so, but I've had the Performante for about 2 years now, really enjoyed my time with it, but the plan was always to get rid of it around the 2-year mark, so it's not that surprising that I'm getting rid of it. It's still here in my garage, it's actually getting picked up and gone forever within the next couple of hours. But nonetheless, that is my garage update, and of course, I'm sure you guys want to know what's next, and I don't want to tell you exactly what's next, but I am 99% sure that I'm going to be ordering something. So if that's a hint for you guys, I guess away down below in the comment section. But the only reason why I say 99% is because with cars, you never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to pop up. So while I have a plan right now, and it seems like that's the plan I'm going to be moving forward with, you never know what's going to happen. Nonetheless, I'm excited about what's potentially coming, a little bit less excited about the Canadian winter, and more content coming on the channel relatively soon. I apologize for the lack of videos, but subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification for weekly videos every 3 months. But that's it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to support it with a like. Any questions, I'll do my best to answer them down below in the comments. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.